Why trade Forex? Many traders understand and take advantage of stock trading. However, few new traders understand the benefits of Forex trading. The Forex market has become very popular with traders because it has many advantages over other markets, like the stock market. Reasons why Forex trading is now favored by traders include: there is no middleman. Instead of relying on someone to trade for them, traders get to trade directly with the market. This is sometimes called STP, straight-through processing, or ECN, electronic crossing communication network access. Position, sometimes called lot, sizes are not fixed. Traders choose their own position size, making it easy for anyone to trade the markets even with small amounts of capital. The market operates for 24 hours, 6/7. There is no specific time traders have to trade. Since the market is open for 24 hours, 6 days a week, traders get to trade whatever time they wish in the day or night. This also makes it possible for part-time traders to trade markets outside of their normal work hours and supplement their income. The market opens in Tokyo on Monday mornings and only closes on Friday afternoons in New York. Transaction costs are low. Traders can expect to pay less than 0.1% for transactions costs for trades. Sometimes with bigger brokers, transaction costs can be as little as 0.07%. Being the bid-ask spread, this is where brokers make their money. Nobody likes to be charged to make money. When trading Forex, traders pay very small commissions relative to the size of the trade. As a result, traders get to keep all of the profits they make. Brokers make money in commissions, and the difference in the price the trader buys at and the price the trader can sell at, also called the bid-ask spread, and really make money on the enormous volumes of trades that they process daily. The market is impossible to control. The market is so large and comprises so many traders, including major banks, corporates involved in international trade, central banks, and countries, as well as speculators, that no single entity can control it for any amount of time. The Forex market is easy to access. Traders don't need to start trading with a lot of money. Most online Forex brokers have trading accounts from around $50. The market is extremely liquid. The Forex market grows as the global economy grows, and it is currently estimated that there are more than 10 million traders trading in excess of $5 trillion of Forex a day. Because the market is so liquid, it means that traders never have to worry about getting trapped in a position with no way to get out of the trade, as there is always someone willing to value the position and offer you a price. This is why traders can set take-profit orders, so that the trade closes when their preferred profit has reached a level they're happy with. Stop-loss orders work in the opposite way, so that should the trade go the wrong way, the trading platform will close the trade and minimize losses. Brokers offer margin trading or access to leverage. What this means is that a trader can use a small amount of his capital but have a significantly larger position on the market. This has risks and rewards, but it enables the trader to make a lot of money from a small capital base. Information and practice are free of charge. Beginner traders thinking of trading but wanting to get a feel for the markets and to try out their trading ideas before committing real money can access free demo accounts with most online Forex brokers, where they can practice and build their trading skills before trying the real thing. Why be a day trader? Even though there are certain risks with day trading, there are also a bunch of reasons why it is known as a popular part-time money-generating hobby. It can give participants personal as well as financial freedom no matter who they are. All a trader needs is some money available for trading. There is no boss that the trader has to listen to and no employees to pay. A trader just chooses their broker and away they go. It lets traders work from home with no worrying about office bills or customers. They can trade in their own time whenever they want and from wherever they are in the world, even from a favorite holiday destination. Successful trades can be converted into cash quickly, and there is no worrying about an end-of-month payday to come around. There are no education qualifications required to trade. A trader doesn't need a college degree or years of experience to trade. All that is needed is a computer, stable internet, and an account with an online broker who will usually give you access to all the trading tools you need. If you think this is for you, all you need is your plan of action and then to open and fund your trading account.